Hello everyone, this is Vishwapradeep Hagalwadi. Today let us discuss how to make your kid respect others and also respect your family emotions. Kids are always learning from outside and they are learning. They nothing portray something which is not theirs. They don't think and become something in that age. So whatever they learn from their environment. So people in the environment need to respect others and the other children. So when you respect the others, children will try to learn from you and imbibe those qualities, and then they also try to respect. Whenever you take something from others, please tell thank you. And if someone tells thank you to you, say welcome. So these are the things where the kids will be able to pick it up easily, and they also try to respect others. Treat all the people as same in your family. Suppose if there is a maid, don't make any difference in your tone or the language you speak when you are speaking to your maid, or suppose you are speaking to your driver, speak respectfully. And even if you are speaking to a child, speak respectfully, so that the child will not get confused with the different types of communication. Suppose if you are talking in a different ways to different people and the child just gets confused, and based upon his mood it's try to adopt any one type of communication to respect others. So always maintain this same type of communication with all members. Use gentle gestures and the good soft language when the kid is around. So try to parents and the family members needs to develop this attitude, so that soft spoken things will be very much caught by the kids, and they will be easily grab and able to develop those things. Try to tell the stories to the kids where it includes your family unique values. Suppose if your family is having some unique value in it, so suppose if there is a righteousness is the greatest value in your family, try to tell them the stories related to righteousness, so that the child will develop that attitude towards it and try to imbibe the values to it. So this is how you can maintain the good communication in your child and also allow them to respect your family values and respect others. Thank you so much.